Welcome everyone. You're trying to update to iOS 26, but it's not showing up in your settings. So you can see here, it says iOS is up to date, even though I did select the iOS 26 developer beta. Now the good news is I have installed iOS 26 in my iPhone 16 Pro, so I'll cover both reasons why this problem's happened and the option you can take to fix it. So the first problem is you don't see the beta updates option, or if you tap into this, you don't see the iOS 26 developer beta. Now in order to fix this is relatively simple. You're just going to open your Safari browser and you're going to head to developer.apple.com. Once on this website, you're going to tap the two lines at the top left and then you'll tap on account. Once you've done this, you need to sign into your Apple account, and if prompted, you need to agree to the developer terms and conditions. I'll put what they show as on screen. Now once this is done, you can head out of settings and you should have that beta updates option. And so my iPhone 13 Pro has been freshly updated to the brand new iOS 26 thanks to that solution. However, what if you just see iOS is up to date and you don't see the iOS 26 populate? And the simple answer is that your iPhone or iPad doesn't support the iOS 26 update. So this right here is iPhone 10. iPhone 10 only got up to iOS 16 software update. And so it didn't get iOS 17, 18 or 26. This right here is iPhone XR, and my iPhone XR did not get iOS 26 either. It is a simple case that Apple has dropped support for your iPhone, for your iPad, and so the software update is not populating. And so if that's the case, what options can you use to get iOS 26? Well, first of all, you might think that maybe some hacker will figure out a way to force the update to install. However, Apple these days are extremely secure. As someone who is in the cybersecurity space, there is just no way that someone will mod their way to get iOS 26 in the iPhone XR or the iPhone 10. So that leaves you with one option, which is if you do want to get iOS 26, that means unfortunately you're going to have to go out and upgrade your existing iPhone. Now if your iPhone XR 10 is running perfectly fine, then I'd recommend keeping that iPhone until an upgrade is necessary. iPhone XR with iOS 18 is still going to get security updates for many years to come. iPhone 10 got security update a couple months ago, so your iPhone is still going to be safe and secure, but it will be stuck on iOS 18 or iOS 16, or maybe even an older software. It depends what you want to run. So I hope this video answers any questions, and take care.